Hey friends, welcome back to One Step Odyssey. In our last tutorial, we animated text using scale. Today we're learning something a bit more advanced, a smooth text reveal using a mask and motion blur. Let's dive in. First, create a new composition. I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now I'm going into composition settings and changing the background color to green. You're free to choose any color you like. Next, grab the text tool and type your text. I'll write One Step Odyssey, but you can type anything you want. After that, I'll change the background color to a dark green so the text stands out clearly. Now select the text layer and choose the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle mask that completely covers your text. This mask will control the reveal animation. Press M twice quickly, that's the shortcut MM, to show the mask options. Make sure the mask mode is set to add. Move the playhead to the start and click the stopwatch next to mask path to create your first keyframe. Now move the playhead 1 to 2 seconds forward and drag the mask so it slides across and uncovers the text. Next, select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor, shortcut Shift plus F3, and adjust the speed curve. Pull the handles so the reveal starts fast and slows down smoothly at the end. Now let's add some finishing touches. Press T to open the opacity property. Set the first keyframe at 0% opacity. Move forward a little and set it to 100%. Finally, enable motion blur. Click the small three-circle icon next to the layer and also turn on motion blur at the top of the timeline. This adds a polished and natural look to your reveal. Press the space bar to preview your animation. If the reveal feels too fast or too slow, just move the keyframes further apart or closer together until you like the timing. And that's it. You've created a professional-looking mask text reveal with smooth motion blur and a fade effect. Keep following One Step Odyssey as we learn After Effects one step at a time. See you in the next tutorial.